Welcome back, detailers. This is video number 16 of the Supawash CRM training series, and today we're going to be looking at bookings. Okay, so we're going to go up here to the menu item bookings, and immediately we're greeted with this calendar here and a category list on the side, which you can use as a filter. Okay, so if I tick that, it's going to show me all the valets. So I want to make a booking for 4th of August. I'm going to click there, valet Hermione. Okay. And category, I'm going to say it's a valet and a customer, Hermione. Okay, I can even search for the vehicle. It's going to show me my vehicle here. You can add your service if you want. There we go, valet Excel. And you can put the start date, the end date if you want to, but remember we clicked on the calendar, so it's got that there, the start time and the end time. Say it's a full day thing. Alright, and launch. Now we have Hermione's valet there. Okay, so if I wanted to, I can untick that, and it's not going to show me the values, it's going to show me everything else. Alright, so you can do your bookings like this.